This is the 2023 Kia Niro EV Wave. This one also has the Wave Preserve package. The EPA range on this is 253 miles. Alright, let's get into the video. First thing I'll show you guys is under the hood. Moving on to the trunk. Moving on to the rear seats. You can see the rear seats have seat heaters. Moving on to the front. Harman Kardon sound system. Alright, down here you can switch between the climate control and then your radio settings. Pretty neat. You have your wireless phone charger down here. You have ventilated seats and seat heaters. Also have a heated steering wheel. Show you guys the camera. You also have the heads-up display. It's got a better look, nice. And then down here you have the V2L. There. All right, that is our 2023 Kia Niro EV Wave.